welcome to our 2023 Parade of Homes. I'm Kevin McCreedy with McCreedy Ruth Construction. We've been in business for 25 years building custom homes and remodels. This is a custom home that we built for our clients. They came to us with a plan and we took it from there, customized it to fit their needs, and built it for them. We are a one-stop shop. We can help draw, and build your custom home or remodel. If you're in the need for a custom home or remodel, come and visit us. We have an office staff that can help design and draw, and then we have great field people that can put the project together and build the custom home of your dreams. Come visit us at McCreedyRuthConstruction.com and visit us on the website to tour our virtual home that is featured in this year's 2023 Parade of Homes.